to dine with me, one that'll grind with me, one that'll grind with me.